Hi there, so this is part 2 about how to write a quadratic function if all you're given is a table of values. In part 1 we did this table, and now we're going to tackle this table. Here are the steps. Find the min or the max, use that to find the vertex, and then substitute in the x and y of the vertex for h and k, plug in another point to find a, and then write everything in vertex form. I'm going to put up vertex form again here. X minus h plus k. So that we can use that as a reference as we go on. So let's take a look at this table of values. When x is 0, y is 13. When x decreases to -1, y is 1. When x becomes -2, y goes down to -3. And then when x becomes -3, y goes back up to 1. When x is -4, back up to 13. So the f of x, the lowest value on the y-axis we're going to have for x, the minimum, is -3. So here, the minimum is where, or x is equal to -2. That's going to make our vertex -2, -3. Now we're going to use that information and we're going to substitute it in this vertex form to solve. So here we go. Y is equal to ax minus -2 all squared minus 3. So I substituted the -2 in for the h and the -3 in for the k. What's the next step? Find a by plugging in another point. As I always say, I love small numbers, so I'm going to use this point here. So here y is 1. It's equal to a. X is -1. -2 means this is +2 here, squared minus 3. Now I can solve this. I only have one variable here, so I can solve for a. 1 is equal to a times -1 plus 2 is going to be 1. And 1 squared is 1 minus 3. All right, so I have a is equal to 1 and I have -3. I want to get a by itself. So I got to get rid of this -3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the inverse operation of -3, which is +3 to both sides. So the a comes down. 3 plus 3 cancels out, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So now I can write this in vertex form. Y equals 4 times x plus 2 squared minus 3. I have to now rewrite this in standard form. The first thing we do is we're going to solve the x plus 2 times x plus 2. If you watched my videos, we did this already. This is x squared plus 4x plus 4. If you use FOIL, you'll find that out. All times 4 minus 3. So I'm going to write it up here so you can see it. 4 times 4x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 4x is going to give me plus 16x. And 4 times 4 here is plus 16 minus 3. I have 4x squared plus 16x plus 13, because 16 minus 3 gives me 13. Not too painful. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.